The next speaker is the Asian Forum for Human Rights and Development. You have the floor. In development.
Thank you, Mr. President. We welcome the report of the Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights defenders and congratulate him on the roadmap and vision for his mandate in the report. We note the Special Rapporteur's concern on tackling impunity for violations against HRDs. In several Asian countries, this remains a major challenge. Added to this, the constant threat of reprisals presents a major obstacle to the legitimate work of HRDs from the region. We welcome the Rapporteur's recommendation to governments on paying particular attention to the vulnerability of the exposed group of defenders. In this regard, we call your attention to examples in Asia, such as that of land rights defenders in Thailand and Cambodia, defenders of environment in the Philippines, Mongolia, and India, those working on past abuses such as enforced disappearance in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Laos, and to those working on freedoms of expression, assembly, and association in Malaysia and Myanmar. Forum Asia calls upon Asian governments to give a prominent place to the protection of HRDs in their legislations and in their national human rights action plans. In line with the Special Rapporteur's recommendations to states, we reiterate our position that national human rights institutions must be compliant with the Paris Principles. Governments should create focal points and concrete protection programs for HRDs, especially those at risk. We also call upon regional and international human rights bodies to provide greater visibility to the issues, roles, and situations of HRDs and provide governments with technical assistance and appropriate tools based on observed good practices. Lastly, Asian governments must work towards effective protection guidelines for HRDs through a process of genuine consultation where all stakeholders are included. Thank you, Mr. President.